Welcome to another learning video. In this video, we are going to see how to add CSS to our Ring app. So let's launch our app and see what it has. Okay, so our app has a very simple navigation. So one is home, another one is time. So let me click on time and home. Yeah, it just alternates between these pages. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. So now we are going to look at styling. So how to add styling and all those things, right? So I'll be showing two ways of doing it. One with no ordinary CSS. Other one is with a thing called garden that is like using closure, right? So garden helps you to create style sheets bit uh, in an easier way compared to a normal what to say CSS, right? So that's the thing. So yeah, anyway, let's see. I will just first create a folder, call this resources, right? And then in that, let me create another folder called public. So this is accessible to everybody. And in this, let me just create another folder. I'm sorry about this, but yeah, maybe like if tomorrow, if there are a lot of CSS files, this might help. And I will create a file called style.css, right? And I'm creating a file called style.css, right? So maybe yeah, putting so many putting a CSS folder under public right now could be overkill, but yeah, that's okay, I just think. So over here, I'll just keep like, okay, for anchor tag and I'll just put okay, yeah, color is red, right? So that's good. And now in my template.clg, right? So here is head, okay, and AI is already showing. So I'm just accepting the autocomplete. So yeah, it just says like, okay, link rel style sheet and href is css style css, right? So that's it. So what's in public is accessible via the Ring app. So you can just put style over there and you can just refresh it and you're not getting for some reason, right? So I don't know what's happening. So I'll just put control U, right? CSS style.css not found. Okay. Right. Why that's not found? I think I just need to restart the server, right? So, right, green link server. Yeah, so now we got it, right? So that's the thing. So sometimes that does happen, right? So some things might not work, right? So that's the thing. And yes, right. And now, yeah, let me just, okay, yeah, let this be there, right? So now I'm just removing this style, okay, right? So I'm just removing it. Let's go back to the original, right? So that's it, no longer style, okay? So yeah. So now what I just want to do is like, okay, I'll just put something like style, okay? And then over here, yeah. So instead of color red, I'll just put something like orange, 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 right? So that's the thing, right? So this should also work. But of course, you can give more complex stuff. And yeah, this should also work, right? So yeah, so now this became orange. But then I'm just looking at a thing called Garden, like it's a closure library with which we can build CSS. So like let me go into clojars and I'll just search for Garden, right? And we do have something thing over here, like, but I'm not sure how old it is. And okay, okay, yeah, there is this repository, right? So there is this repository. But the thing is, it's 8 years old. So, and I just found like a thing from Lambda Island, right? So, um, let me search for it. LAMB, yeah, Lambda Island, got it, right? So this one is kind of relatively new. So it's kind of only like uh what to say, like 3 months old. So this is far better, right? So and let me just copy this, add this to my project.clg. Where is it? Yeah, project.clg, right? So add this dependency, and that's about it. And now let me just look into the documentation, right? So I need to require this one, right? So that's the thing. So I'm just coming to template.clj. So rather than over here, or rather than putting this string over here, I'm just going to use garden, right? So that's the thing. I don't think I need a terminal now. So I'm just doing this. Okay, I'm not a fan of refer, but okay, yeah, but it's okay okay now. But so, and now what I can just do is, yeah, I can just put CSS a color orange. So maybe I'll just put it as green. So now what will happen is, once I refresh, I think all hell should break loose, right? So oh yeah, right. So because this I have already started this app, and some stuff is loaded into memory. So but I don't think garden is being loaded into the RAM. Okay, so I need to launch it once again. Bean ring server, right? And remember the color is green now. Right? So yeah, execution error. Okay, okay, this is very good thing. So I do get an execution error because this has been compiled in latest version of Java, and my Java version is JDK 17. So I have SDK man. So SDK man is a library that's used to switch Java versions. Okay, so SDK man.io. So that's the thing. And I think I can switch Java with it. Okay, so like I'm just putting like, okay, like SDK use Java 2502 Temurin, right? So if you don't understand it, don't worry much. If it works, okay, but otherwise, yeah, I think you need to look into switching to another versions of Java. I don't think Java 17, OpenJDK 17 works with Garden. It kind of works with only the older Garden libraries, but yeah, for this you need at least OpenJDK 21. So I'm just using what to say. I'm just switching Java over here, and I'm just putting Java version, but still I'm just getting this. But anyway, let me just try this one. Hopefully it works. Ah, no, right. Right. So, I will just, okay, this is more of a wrestle with Java stuff, right? So, and Java version, right? Okay, yeah, sure. I'm just getting my Java version. Okay, but I'm not getting it all. Sure, but do I need to put bash or something? Right, so bash. Right. Java version. Yeah, now it says 25. Okay, but yeah, like, yeah, now let me just put lean ring server. this is one problem I just faced. Okay, so yeah, now you're getting it as clean, right? So yeah, now you're getting time and now you're getting home. So anyway, this error came out. So I don't know why it's not working in ZSH. So but I'm just using ZSH. Let me just load my ZSHRC, right? And then Java version, right? Yeah, now it's 25, and then yeah, now I can just put lean rig server and this will work, right? So the thing you need to know is like, yeah, you need to read about gardens and yeah, we will be looking into it because I think in this playlist we will be or in this tutorial learning we will be building complex and advanced applications, right? So using Rig, right? So you just need to go to this garden, what to say, uh, documentation, and you need to see like you just build CSS just like this CSS, and it's very much like hiccup. And as our course goes on and on, like you will learn about it. So yeah, anyway, so not a problem. So don't worry, right? So that's the thing. And this is very much similar to hiccup what we are using to generate HTML, if you can see it over here, right? So that's how it is. So these are the two ways you add CSS. Yeah, of course, you can paste the CSS string over here, but it's not recommended. It's better to build with Garden. Garden, yeah. So that's the thing. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Until we meet in next video. Bye.